guys, this is Ankit and I welcome to all of you on our channel KWSCAP. In this video, I bring for you a job opportunity from the Accenture side. So Accenture is hiring for 2021, 22, 23 and 24 passed out student. So let's see what we will be discussing in this video. So in this eligibility criteria, hiring process and how you can apply for this job. So let's see the job role and salary. So job role will be the packaged app development associate and salary will be a 4.6 LPA. So Accenture is itself is a very good company, and salary also they are giving a very good salary, decent salary they are giving. Okay, so now let's see the eligibility criteria. So for eligibility criteria, you should be either graduated in BE, BTech, ME, MTech or MCA or MSc in CSIT. Okay, so you are eligible for this job. And 10, 12th and CGPA they are not asking, so don't fear about your 10, 12th or CGPA, whatever it is. And if you have 1 year gap in your academics, then no issue, you can apply. But you should not have gap in your graduation. Like BTech you should be completed in your 4 years, BE you should be completed in your 4 years, and MCA you should be completed in your 2 years, MSc you should be completed in your 2 years. So like this, you should not have gap in your graduation. But if you have gap, like after 12th pass you took 1 year drop for your IIT JEE coaching or some medical issue, then there is a no problem. Backlog should not be there while onboarding. So when you are going to join the company, you should not have the backlog for that time. Okay, if you didn't attend any Accenture assessment or recruitment in the last 3 months, then you are eligible for this job. And candidate should not have more than 11 months of experience. So you should not have more than 11th of year experience, because they are giving this job only for 0 to 11 month experience guys only. So who don't have any experience also, so they have given 0 month for them, so you also can apply. Job location, they have given so many job locations, so you can fill according to your convenience. Let's see the selection process. So in the selection process there are 4 rounds. Round 1 will be a online assessment, round 2 is a coding assessment, round 3 is a communication assessment, round 4 will be interview. So each round you have to qualify, then only you will be moving to next round. So let's talk about round 1, cognitive activity and technical assessment. 2 sections will be there. In cognitive activity, you will be covering English ability, critical reasoning, problem solving, abstract reasoning. So there is a aptitude section will be there in your cognitive activity, and there will be 50 questions will be there. And coming to technical assessment, there will be a pseudocode, common application like MS Office, Excel, PowerPoint, on network security and cloud. Like these theoretical questions they will be asking. That will be a 40 questions will be there, and duration of this round 1 will be 90 minutes. Okay, so you can expect more number of pseudocodes in this technical assessment. So prepare for pseudocodes more and more. Try to solve more and more pseudocodes and practice, so that you can able to clear the round 1 by pseudocode itself. Okay, coming to round 2. Round 2 is coding assessment. There is no sectional division. Okay, so here you will get the 2 questions that you have to solve in 45 minutes. So 2 coding problem statements they will be given. You can use any of this language, C, C++, .NET, Java, Python. If you are familiar with C, you can use C. If you are familiar with Java, you can use Java. So any language you can use. Round 3 will be communication test. So communication test they will be covering sentence mastery, vocabulary, fluency, pronunciations. So everything they will check. According to that they will give the questions. So there will be minimum 20 questions, and time will be like 30 minutes. Okay, there will be round 4, interview. So round 4 in interview they will be asking you technical and HR both type of questions. So you have to prepare about your technical part also and HR like general questions also. So in this PPT I have mentioned the technical interview questions which is conducted previously by other candidates. So I will share that also with you. Coming to round 1 online assessment, so already I have told you cognitive ability, technical assessment. So 2 sections will be there, and each having 40 questions and 90 total questions will be there, and total marks will be 90, and duration will be 90 minutes. So you can prepare accordingly. More focus you can give in this pseudocode. So try to practice pseudocode as much as possible you can. By pseudocode itself you can clear this technical assessment, I can say guaranteed. And cognitive ability you should be prepare aptitude as much as possible. You can solve the aptitude type of questions. Important information. So if you're sitting in the round 1 and you are giving your online assessment, that is aptitude and technical assessment, so if you pass that round 1, immediately you will be getting the notification in the 5 to 10 minutes that you are qualified for this round 1, and that coding assessment, that is round 2, will be started after 5 to 10 minutes. So don't think like round 1 completed means I am free now and I will see in round 2 when will happen. It will be happen after 5 to 10 minutes of round 1 completion. So if you are qualified for round 1, then immediately 5 to 10 minutes after they will sending you coding assessment, and that in that screen itself coding assessment will be started. Coming to round 2 coding assessment, in coding assessment there will be covering the topics like data types, operators, arrays, string, decision making, loops, functions, scenario based question. Any type of questions they can give, any topics they can take, and we can use any language, C, C++, Python, Java, .NET. So any language you can use in those, and total number of questions will be 2 and total duration will be 45 minutes. So in that 2 questions, easy questions will be there, 1 that is 15 minutes they will give the time, 1 will be the moderate tough questions, that is 30 minutes. So I want to tell you 45 minutes they will give for both questions, like they won't divide the question by the minutes, 15 minutes and for 30 minutes. Just I am telling that for your convenience, try to solve the easy question in 15 minutes and give your tough question at least 30 minutes. Okay, so there is no division in minutes, but I am telling for your convenience. So here some of the sample coding questions I have given that asked in previous Accenture drives. So you can see this is the first coding question that based on power limit and some of the problem statements they given and function description they given, input format and what is the output format will be there. So like this you will receive in your Accenture coding round. This is the second coding question which is asked in previous Accenture drive. So you can check, try to solve it whether you are able to do it or not, or try to practice it. There is a important information. After completing of your round 2 coding round, you are not going to get communication assessment immediately. They will notify you in 2 to 3 days that you qualified in round 2 coding assessment, and they will invite you for communication assessment. That will be an online round. Okay, coming to round 3 communication assessment, there will be nearly 63 questions will be there and duration will be 30 minutes. So there will be like reading, listening, speaking, story retelling, sentence building, question and answer. So many topics they will cover in that, and their motive will be just checking your pronunciation, your fluency in the English, how you are writing in the English, your grammar. So everything they will check in the communication assessment. So if you are good in English, you easily can clear this round. Coming to round 4 technical and HR interview. So if you qualify the round 3 communication assessment, you will be going to move forward with interview. So in the interview they will be asking technical related and HR related questions. I have mentioned some of the technical questions, some of the HR questions that asked in the previous drives with so many candidates. I have collected from the different websites these questions for you. So go through these questions, take screenshot and just go through these questions and practice it. If that are programs, just practice the programs. If they are theoretical questions, just try to answer yourself in the mirror, how you are answering, how you are giving answer properly or not. So you can do practice for this by seeing these questions. So these are the some of the questions I have given. I have segregated in some of the topics: OOPS concept, database, operating system. You can see, okay, DSA based coding question. So these are the things I have segregated for you for your convenience, so that you can prepare accordingly. See, machine learning based questions, puzzle type of questions. So everything I have given here. Solve as much as questions. Try to remember all questions. Try to go through all questions so that it will be helpful and you will be confident enough for your interview. Coming to HR questions. So HR questions I have mentioned here nearly 38 HR questions. I can guarantee, I can give assurance to you, mostly they will ask these questions only. Out of 38 you will receive all the questions in these only HR questions. They won't ask any other further questions out of these 38 questions. These are the questions which is asked every drive. They will ask same type of question in HR questions. So I have mentioned all the questions in 38 questions. Just go through all questions. Try to see whether you are able to answer or not. If you are not able to answer, just go to the Google it and try to find the answer and try to modify according to your personal life that answers, because these are the general questions which is related to your life. So that's the thing. Now we will see how you can apply for this job. So there is one link is there, so you have to click on this link. How you will get this link? So I have given in the description box this link and also in comment box. So go through this link, click on this link. You will be go through this page. That we go through this page, that is Accenture official page, and scroll down. If you scroll down, you will get the apply now button. So these things all I have tell you in the PPT: experience, how much needed, salary, job type, job location, everything I have told you. Okay, and what is the process, assessment, what is the hiring process. So everything I have told you in the PPT. Just you need to go through, scroll down and go through this apply now button, and whatever details they are asking, just fill it out. It's very easy to apply. I hope you can apply. If you get any queries, any question, any doubt, you can reach out to me in comment box. I will try to give you reply surely. So thank you so much for seeing this video. Please subscribe our channel and like and comment on this video, and please share with your friends so they also can utilize this opportunity, because